Are you a pistachio lover? Because today I will show you a very easy recipe for a pistachio ganache. Ready? Let's go! For this recipe, we will need 300 grams of fresh cream, 330 grams of white chocolate and 30 grams of pistachio paste. To make this recipe, we will boil our cream, pour it on our chocolate, and when we will mix it with an immersion mixer, we will add our pistachio paste. To mix our chocolate correctly, try to avoid making bubbles. It's a small recipe, so do your best to don't incorporate air in the recipe. Our pistachio ganache is now ready. We put the plastic on the top and we keep it at 16 degrees for one night. We use a 100% pistachio paste. If you can find it, I will put a recipe in the info of this video so you can make it at home. This is the right consistency you're looking for. This was my ganache pistachio recipe, so if you have any question, just comment in the section below. You can follow me on Instagram. If you want to keep updated, subscribe to this channel so you will see all the next video I will make.